One way to search through all of our online materials is to use our search tool, Search at UW. It can be a great place to find materials for your research, especially if you follow these tips. In this video, I will be taking you through a few basic searches, showing you how to use filters, and finally demonstrating our advanced search option. Let's get started. Here is the Search at UW tool on our home page. If it is not showing up on your computer or mobile device, you may have to click the Find tab of our navigational menu. You can use Search at UW to search UWO Libraries materials and materials held throughout the UW system. You can search for articles, books and ebooks, videos, and more. First, type your keywords into the search box. When conducting academic research, you'll get more relevant results if you type in a few important keywords rather than typing a question. After you've put in your keywords, select one of the filters in the drop-down menu on the right. If you leave this menu to everything, you will have a lot more content to look through. So, I'll do a sample search. Let's say I'm writing a speech for my class about dress codes. First, I'll put the keywords dress code in the search box. I want articles, so I'll select articles in the drop-down menu on the right. Then I'll click search. Here are my results, over 100,000. Now, these results may work for me, but I'll take a look at the filters on the left to see if I can narrow them down further. If I'm looking specifically for peer-reviewed articles, I can choose this filter. Peer-reviewed articles are academic articles that have been thoroughly evaluated for quality. This filter will get rid of any results from magazines or newspapers, so keep that in mind. Under resource type, I can specify which type of article I'm looking for. Maybe I'm looking for a newspaper article. I can also change the creation date if I wanted to find more recent articles. There are several other filters that you can use, including things like topic and language. Now, looking through my results, I can tell that many of them aren't really relevant to my search, even after using some filters. I might need to adjust my keywords. Since I'm specifically looking for high school dress codes, I'm going to add "and high school" to my search. Using "and" in between the two phrases indicates that I want articles with both phrases. Using search operators like "and," "or," and "not" can be very helpful in your search. Once you've found an article you like, click the title. If you scroll down, you'll see which databases the article is available in. If there's more than one, choose any and click the blue link. At this point, since you're off campus, you will need to log in with your NetID and password. From here, I suggest you download the article or save the permalink. Do not save the website address at the top, as that may be session-specific and will stop working when you close the tab or browser window. Here, you can find the permalink under All Options. If you are still having trouble finding results, you can also try our advanced search option in Search at UW. Here, we can add a synonym such as secondary school using the OR operator. We can also use quotation marks around our phrases so that the results will only show these phrases exactly as written. If you're searching for other types of materials such as ebooks or videos, you can also use Search at UW. For both ebooks and videos, put in your keywords the same as before, but choose Books and Media UW Oshkosh Libraries from the drop-down menu. For both, choose Online Resources on the filter on the left. If you're looking for ebooks, choose Books under the resource type. For videos, choose Audio-Visual. Those are the basics of Search at UW. If any issues come up while you are searching, or if you need help finding articles, you can contact a librarian using our 24/7 library chat help. Good luck with your research!